Hey, what's up guys? Welcome! Samsung announced the M series smartphones, Galaxy M10 and M20, and these are arguably one of the best smartphones we can get at this price. And talking about the price, we knew that these were going to be cheap, but honestly, I didn't thought that they will be that cheap. There are two models of both smartphones. The Galaxy M10 is the cheaper of the bunch. The Galaxy M10 2GB 16GB version costs ₹79.90 which is $110, and the 3GB 32GB version costs ₹89.90 which is $125. The Galaxy M20 is a little bit expensive. The 3GB 32GB version at ₹10,990 which is about $150, and the 4GB 64GB version is at ₹12,990 about $180. These are the best phones Samsung have ever offered at this price. The specifications of both the phones are also great. For the Galaxy M20, we get a 6.3 inches Full HD display with a screen to body ratio of more than 90%, which is much higher than both S9 and the Note 9. The cameras are 13 megapixel standard lens at f1.9 aperture, a 5 megapixel f2.2 aperture wide angle lens with 120-degree field of view. The front camera is of 8 megapixel f2.0, also with face scanning. The Galaxy M20 is powered with Samsung's homegrown Exynos 7904 chipset, and I already told you the RAM and the storage options. The battery is a massive 5000 mAh cell with 15-watt fast charger supplied inside the box. Apple, this phone is 10 times cheaper and still has a fast charger. Just consider it. Android Oreo, Samsung Exynos 9.5. The Galaxy M10 specs are as follows: a 6.22 inches HD display, the same rear camera arrangement as the M20, 5 megapixel front camera, Exynos 7870 chipset. In the Galaxy M10, the battery will be a little bit smaller, coming at 3430 mAh, and this one does not support fast charging. Both of these phones comes with dual SIM support. The Galaxy M10 does not come with a fingerprint scanner. I guess they have to save money somewhere, but at least there's a face unlock feature. If the face unlock is good enough, we really don't need a fingerprint scanner. There's one thing that Samsung did which I don't like. They are using modified pictures on their website. This is what they use on the website and this is the real version. See, they are quite different. And do you guys remember that one time when a woman filed a lawsuit against Apple for using misleading images on the website? These images doesn't show the notch, which was misleading, and she filed a lawsuit for that. The same could happen here. This is not how the real M10 20 looks like. They should have been honest on the website, but other than this, these are really great phones which I think will sell great and also highly recommended. Let me know your thoughts on both of these smartphones, and do you think Samsung would get a lawsuit for this fake advertisement? Like if you enjoyed, subscribe for more, and I'll see you later. Peace out.